Hello guys, thank you for our live channel. I'm Amy from Gent Fence. Our company have a long history, around 13 years, and our main product is triangle bending fence, temper fence, high security fence, chain link fence, tubular fence, crowd control barrier, and so on. Thank you for your attention, and today I will introduce our main product, tubular fence, to you. The tubular fence has a simple structure and easy for installation, and also have a nice appearance. For the application, is more popular using in the commercial sites, such as the office building, school, and the residential place like the industry and the factory. Well, the mop is more widely used in some place to decorate it, and also it can prevent someone climb it. Well, the next I will introduce how to install the tubular fence. Well, first we can see there is a post. The post is the square post, and the size is 60 by 60, and also can do the 80 by 80. The thickness of the post is 1.5 millimeter and 2.0 millimeter. There you can see the cap have been finished on the post, and you can see there are just two welded points on the post. It will be enough strong, and anyone couldn't remove it, so it's anti-seize. Well, after the post, there you can see a space at the end of the post, the space shape. We can do this one is the square, and we also have the round and another shape as your requirement. Sure, we also can do the no base, just bury the post in the ground. And first we need to measure the size. We need to measure the size of the panel and put the post on the ground. If the post have the base, then the ground may be the concrete ground. So we need to dig the hole at the base, the hole in the ground, and using the screw fix the base under the ground. And then the next part we come to the rail, the horizontal rail. The horizontal rail of the tubular fence we usually do is 40 by 40 and 50 by 50. The thickness is 1.5 millimeter. And we need to put the horizontal tube at here, and using these clips connect the horizontal tube with the post. As we talk about the clips, there you can see this clips material is steel, and the color we can do at your requirement. The tubular fence raw material is galvanized tube, and then after the welded or after the punching, then make it powder coated as you requirement the color. About the color, we usually do is the black, and we also can do the white and the blue and another colors as your requirement. Well, the first we fix the post on the ground first, and then using the screw, the longer screw, through the post. There you can see the hole on the post. There you can see the hole on the post. We need to use the longer screw through the hole and fix the post with the clips, with the metal clips, and then put the nut, fix it. Oh, sorry, make a wrong step. We should put the screw through this, and then put the nut at this. And then we have been finished the post with the clips. Well, the next step, we put the horizontal tube on the clips. On the clips, you can see there is a space on the metal clips. This clips foundation to put the horizontal tube on this. It can hold the horizontal tube not fall down. And then we should use the shorter screw through the horizontal tube with the clips, and using the nut, fix it. And then the horizontal tube connect with the post. It's finished. And the next part, we should put the picket on the horizontal tube. Well, talk about the vertical tube. We also call it picket. The picket size we usually do is 20 by 20 and by 1.2 millimeter. And there you can see there are the hole on the star picket. About the whole foundation, later I will introduce you. And there you can see there are little plastic clips. We put the clips on the horizontal tube. Put it into it. And we have been finished one. This one we couldn't move it, so it is very stable and it's very safe on the horizontal tube. Then we need use another little tool on this end of the picket and throw it on the horizontal tube one by one. Then it will be finished like this. I will show you. Then like this. It's a finished panel. Well, at here you can see there are 4 screws on the horizontal tube and connect the horizontal tube with the picket. This is the first I will told you there is a hole on the picket. The foundation is make the picket on the horizontal tube. It's not flexible. It's more stable and couldn't remove it anymore. And then the panel finished, we could put the panel on the post and put another size post like this one, and the panel will be finished. Well, there is the one type of the tubular fence. We call it make-up. We should make up the picket into the horizontal tube and make them like a panel, and then we post the two posts at the distance. Then we put the panel on the clips and using the screw fix it, and then it will be finished. And we also have another type. This one you can see there is no the plastic clips on the top of the horizontal, but you can see the picket connect with the horizontal tube using by welding. We just need to weld 2 points at the picket size and to make the picket connect with the horizontal and is stable and couldn't move it anymore. These are two types of the tubular fence. The two types of the tubular fence have different process of the production. The make-up one we usually do the make-up one of the process of the production. We usually do cut the galvanized tube, the picket tube and the horizontal tube and the post tube first as we require the size, and then punching the hole on the post and the horizontal and the picket, and then the last one is powder coating. Well, there is one thing need to pay more attention. These three parts are spare them single powder coating. This is the make-up type of the tubular fence process of the production. And this one we call it welded type. And this one production is the process of the production is we need to same with the last we introduced, cut the tube as we need the size, and then punching the hole on the horizontal tube and the post. But there is no need punching the hole at the picket, and the next step is different with the last one we introduced. This one is we put the picket through the horizontal tube and then welded the picket on the horizontal tube. And the third step is make the panel to powder coating. And there are also different packing of these two types. This make-up one we can do maybe we can do the loading quantity is more than more than the welded type. If the welded type we add their size and packing is put the panel on the pallet and then the post and then the post built in the container. The size will be 119 to 200 size in the container. But if you required is the make-up type, it can be even 1,000 size because the picket and the railway picket and the horizontal tube and the post all built in the container. So the loading quantity is different. There you can see a sample on the behind. This sample is also, we call it a tubular fence, but you can see there is different types on the top. We just introduce you. It's different types. This one is flattened, and this one is have the picket on the top. It can prevent people collaborate. And we also have a same appearance of the tubular fence, but different materials. We call it aluminum fence. The aluminum fence also have the two types. We can do the flatten, and we also can do the picket on the top. The aluminum fence the weight is lighter than the tubular fence, and the tubular fence is more popular in the Australian market, and the aluminum fence is more popular in the America. They have a different size and different market. Well, if you can know more information about the tubular fence and the aluminum fence, you can click the link on the bottom, and you also can search our website looking for the product you are interested in. And if you have any inquiry of the tubular fence or the aluminum fence, you also can send your inquiry to our email, and our sales and our service will require you at time. For the picket, for the tubular fence and the aluminum fence, you can offer us your drawing of the place, and we can do as they are following. And sure, if you don't know the type of the tubular fence and the aluminum fence, we also can offer our design drawing of the drawing for your reference. Well, the last, let me introduce the specifications of the tubular fence. The height we usually do is 1.5 or 1.5, 1.8, and 2.0 meter. And the length we usually do is 2.0 meter and 2.5 meters. Well, thank you for your watching our live show. This is Amy from Gentfence. Our company have a long history, around 13 years, and our main product is the chain link fence, temporary fence, triangle bending fence, tubular fence, high security fence, crowd control barrier. And today, I introduce the tubular fence and the aluminum fence to you. If you want to know more information about these two kinds of the products, you can click the link on the bottom and know more information. Or if you want to know more information or another products, please follow us and pay more attention our next live show. Thank you. That's all. Bye bye.